Hey guys, just a quick video showing you on how to connect your Apple phone to the Android 13T series. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. And then you need to go to System, Bluetooth connection, pair new device. And then on your phone, you just need to find, should say Vidia TA13. It'll ask you to pair. You don't need to put the code in. You can allow your contacts. You can not allow if you want. And then once it pairs, you'll see so coming up on your phone screen. As you can see, it's just loading there. The first time you do this, it can take a minute or two to go through. So once you've done that, you can go to your home screen. Go to Car Auto, which is your ZLink, and then it will come up on your phone and you just want to say connect. And then it will start connecting you and bring you up. So you've got your Waze, you've got your Spotify, and you've got your messages and stuff in there. And that's how you do it.